Hello there, I am Tugusu Zariun. This is my channel. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue today with the topic teleconference, the other e-service. People can make a meeting for variety of purpose, whether it's in governmental or non-governmental sectors. People make a meeting by choosing a specific place, by preparing a hall, special. When we come to teleconference, it's a meeting of two or more people. It's a new technology thanks to the technology. Teleconference, it is a meeting of two or more people who are separated by distance using electronic communication. There is a participation of two or more peoples by using technology. It's not important to go physically to a particular continent, Europe or Asia, as national or domestic level. It's not important to go and choose make a particular meeting for variety of issues on variety of issues in federal, or it's not important to go or choose a regional state. Possible to make a meeting at national level, at domestic level by using the technology. It is generic term for connecting people from different locations electronically. The two popular forms of teleconferencing are audio conferencing and video. We have two forms of conferencing, teleconferencing, the audio and the video, based on the devices that we use and the way of communications. We have two forms, the audio and the video conferencing. The first audio conference, it is a voice only communication, it says. As the name implies, we use only our voice to communicate each other, to make a meeting, being at our location. It's not important to go physically abroad at or at national or domestic level. It's not important to add to federal or capital city. It's not important to prefer a regional state to make a meeting based on an issue in any sectors. They can make a meeting. Such meetings are proceed through by using the technology. In case of using voice only communication, we say it audio conference. Sometimes we call it also conference call, which connects people from remote locations via telephone lines. How can people communicate each other? How can the participants exchange information by using telephone lines? For example, meetings can be conducted via audio conference. Here, figure shows us teleconference, audio conference. In case of physical meeting, the participants should prefer a particular hall to make their meetings or office to make their meetings. When you come to this type of technology, it's not important to go to a particular office or hall. Being at their location, participants can make a meeting using their voices in case of audio conference. Let's come to the second form of teleconference, which is video conference. As the name implies, it combines both voice communication and video images. It combines both technologies. We use our voice, again, motion-based pictures. Almost it's a physical way of or face-to-face way of meetings. It seems it supports two-way video conferencing. Video conferencing creates a social presence that resembles face-to-face meetings. It enables participants to see the facial expression and physical appearance of conference participants in remote sites. What the only thing is, what the only difference is, they will not physically meet, but they can make a meeting like that of face-to-face meetings by using the technology, thanks to the technology. Here are some softwares or tools that helps people to make their meetings without going to one of the continents Asia country, or without going to one of the Europe country, or at the federal level inside at national local level. or at domestic level. It's not important to go to one of the regional states. It's possible to make a meeting using Zoom. It's so important. It's possible to make a meeting without go to physically to a particular or office by using Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. These are the examples of video conferencing softwares. The softwares vary from country to country. In some countries, Google Meet is used. In some countries, Microsoft Teams software is used in some teams. And when it comes to our country, mostly people use for their meetings Zoom software. Teleconference has many benefits for conference participants. Saves time. What the advantage? It saves time and travel costs. There is no travel at all. It saves time also. We save our time, we save our cost. There is no transportation cost. Conference participants can attend the meeting from home office. Conference participants can attend their meetings, being at their home or office or at any place. It reduces conference hosting costs. It's not important to rent a payment for renting particular hotel or hotels hall. It saves our cost. Being at home, being at any office or at any locations, we can make a meeting. In addition, it can accommodate more people as does not cost that much more for additional participants. Can accommodate more people as it does not cost that much for each additional participants can make their meetings. It's not important to pay additional payments. Thanks to the technology, the participants can make a meetings being at their locations. Have you seen in figure 190 teleconference, video conference? People they at their locations they can make meetings at the real time. Thanks to the technology. For today, thank you. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.